If you're 98 kids, you'll definitely remember Courage the Cowardly Dog. It's been over 23 years since the final episode aired, but now Courage is back, but this time in a game. The visuals, the sound design, even the IP streak all fit straight out of the original show. What's crazy is that it wasn't made with Unreal or Unity engine, it was built entirely inside Dreams. It's a PS4 PS5 creation tool. Created by Elgato, the game already has a playable demo with eerie chase scenes, familiar locations, and monsters you would instantly recognize. It's dropping November 20th on PS4 and PS5. So are you going to be playing?